Hello and welcome, vitepos lovers. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a custom payment method in vitepos. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. Let's dive right in. To set up a custom payment method, first navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, go to the vitepos dashboard and click on the payment module. On the right side of the payment module, you'll see the custom payment method submodule. Click here. In this section, you'll see an option to add new for creating a custom payment method. Start by entering a name for the payment method and selecting an icon to represent it. Next, click on Add Input to set up the input fields. For a mobile banking option, add fields for the customer's name and mobile banking number. Once you've configured everything, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom payment method in vitepos. Now, let's add another custom payment method. Click on Add New, enter the method title, and select an icon. For this example, we'll create a bank transfer method. To set it up, add input fields for the bank name, account number, and account holder's name. When you've entered all the details, click Save to complete the setup. Custom bank transfer payment method is now ready to use. Once you've created your custom payment methods, click on View Pause to check out the results. Select a product, then click on Pay Now. You'll see the custom payment methods we just added. To use the mobile banking option, select it, then enter the customer's name, mobile banking number, and the payment amount. Complete the payment, and all the details will appear on the invoice. Let's try one more example. This time, select a few products and check out using the custom bank transfer method. Enter the payment amount, bank name, account number, and account holder name, then complete the transaction. The invoice will display all the bank details we just entered. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. See you next time.